This is AMC8 2016, Problem 15. What is the largest power of 2 that is a divisor of 13 to the 4th power minus 11 to the 4th power? So to solve this problem, you need to know the algorithm of the difference of squares. So the difference of squares algorithm is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we need to use the difference of squares algorithm on this problem. But this equation is 13 to the 4th power minus 11 to the 4th power, which means we need to convert it into a difference of squares. So you would get 13 squared plus 11 squared times 13 squared minus 11 squared. So once you have this equation, you need to simplify it by taking 113 from both parentheses, and also 111 from both parentheses, and multiplying them together to get 169 plus 121 times 13 plus 11 times 13 minus 11. Once you get this equation, you need to simplify it again by adding up all of the numbers. So you get 290 times 24 times 2. And so this problem is asking for the largest power of 2, which is a divisor of 13 to the 4th power minus 11 to the 4th power. So a divisor is the same thing as a factor, which means we need to use prime factorization to find how many 2's are in this equation. So if we prime factorize 290, we get 2 times 145. And so now we can stop prime factorizing because we know that 145 does not have a 2 in it. So there's 1 2. And then if you prime factorize 24, you get 2 times 12, which is 1 2, 2 times 6, which is another 2, and 2 times 3, which is another 2. And so now you have 4 2's. And you see that you have another 2 right here, which means 5 2's. And if you multiply 5 2's, so 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, which means that the answer is C, 32.